Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to air fry a whole chicken. Okay, so I have a whole chicken here, and the first thing you want to do is make sure, sometimes they put, we call them giblets here in the South. I don't know what anybody else calls them. Sometimes they put, the neck and the kidneys or liver or something. They leave it inside. You just want to make sure that's out, and then you want to pat it dry with a paper towel. And then I gotta be honest, I hate working with whole chickens. I really hate it, but I needed to make this video. You want to stuff the cavity with aromatics. So I put garlic in there. I had some thyme that I put in there. If you wanted to put lemon slices or orange slices, you could put those in as well. I did not have any, so I didn't put any in there. Then you're gonna season your chicken, and you want to season the crap out of it. If it looks like a lot of salt to you, it's probably not enough, because you have to think you got to get the whole bird. So you got to do the top. You want to sprinkle some seasoning on the inside. You want to make sure you get the wings and the back as well. It looks like a lot of salt, and it is a lot of salt, but it's going to come off. Not all of it is going to stick, and not all of it is going to make it into your system. So I sprinkled it with some salt, and then I sprinkled it with some nature seasoning. I've been obsessed with this nature seasoning, y'all. Ever since my friend Lane put me on it, we were putting it on everything. I think Richie put it on popcorn last night. And then I put some extra pepper on there. You could use whatever seasonings you wanted to. If you wanted to use some paprika, if you wanted to use some dried spices, or dried herbs, you could. It doesn't matter. Season your chicken however you like. And then you're going to cook it at 350 for 40 minutes. But you want to check the internal temperature keep cooking it until it reaches 165. But there it is. If you want to see more, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes, and thanks for watching.